So in this task we've got to add a menu to the main routine so that it responds to what we display in that game menu. So here at the bottom, once the game's over, once we're checking if the game's over, then we need to ask whether I want to carry on or whether I want to save. So here we need to ask the user if they want to save, and that's done in that procedure called display game menu, and the validation should be done in there as well. So we should get a choice back from that. So in there we want to display game menu and get it to return to us the choice that we put in. Okay, and then once we've got the choice from the user, then we need to respond to the choice, and we can do that by using a case statement and focusing on choice, and then just respond according to the options that we've got. So on 1 we want to save the game as a text file, so save game file 1 with board and whose turn. Okay, these variables have to be passed to the subroutine there. So 2, we want to run the other one, so save game 02 and again with board and whose turn. And then the third option is meant to be to make a move. So we don't need to do anything about that, because if we leave it that blank, then the game won't be over, so it will just carry on. So we can just look for exiting. So when we want to exit the game without doing anything, then we just set game over to be true, so that when it gets to this until statement, that's when it will drop out of that loop. Okay, and I'll just put an end in for that case. So make sure that you've got this right name for display game menu, and then you can respond to that choice there, and that will do that.